Good morning. Mike Maycomber here at Tully, Rinckey, providing you an update regarding the recent termination of Cathy Harris from the Merit Systems Protection Board. On Friday, a court issued a decision saying that the Trump administration can move forward with the termination of Ms. Harris. While this won't be the end of Ms. Harris's appeals, we expect that there will be some additional appeals up through the Supreme Court. I wanted to talk a little bit about the impact on the Merit Systems Protection Board by this decision. Now, Ms. Harris is one of 3 members of the Merit System Protection Board, and with her termination going through, the MSPB now lacks a quorum. To have a quorum, the 3 members, they need to have at least 2 out of the 3 positions filled for the MSPB to issue final decisions regarding appeals. But I want to clarify, this does not impact all of the Merit Systems Protection Board. The initial stage of an MSPB appeal for a federal employee is handled by one of dozens and dozens of administrative judges at the initial appeal stage. This is where the majority of actions are handled by the MSPB. The administrative judges will issue decisions finding an agency action is either supported or unsupported. Now, the full board is the appeal authority from those administrative judges' decisions. And with Ms. Harris's termination, that is the aspect where there is no longer any appeal rights to the board. Now, similarly, from 2017 to 2022, almost a 5-year period of time, the MSPB lacked a quorum. This resulted in a backlog of over 3,000 cases that the agency was ultimately able to work its way through, but that is what is going to happen over the next couple of months while we lack a quorum. This doesn't mean that appeals or that employees lack appeal rights altogether. Appeals can still be filed with the federal circuit. It may be a more costly option and a different standard of proof, but it does not mean that the federal employees lack all appeal rights. In the short term, the MSPB has already released a statement regarding the lack of quorum. We expect that is going to continue for an extended period of time. If you have any questions about how this may impact your case, if you already have an appeal that has been filed, please feel free to contact an attorney. We'd be happy to talk to you about what options you may have to continue that appeal, whether it's with the federal circuit or not. Thank you.